everyone, it's Erin from Florida Drone Supply, and today we're going over the security features of the Parrot Anafi USA Gov Edition. In an age where security and precision are more critical than ever, government agencies, military professionals, and first responders demand the most reliable and secure technology available. At the heart of the Anafi USA Gov Edition is an advanced 4K HDR camera with a 32x digital zoom, allowing users to capture critical footage from afar. But what truly sets it apart are the exclusive security features designed to protect sensitive data and ensure mission success. All flight data, video feeds, and communications are fully encrypted with AES-256 to protect against unauthorized access. With end-to-end encryption, your sensitive information stays secure from the moment you take off until the drone lands. The Anafi ensures complete data control. The drone does not store any sensitive footage on the device. Everything remains stored locally under your direct control, ready for secure transfer when necessary. The Gov Edition also features secure access controls to limit who can operate the drone. By integrating multi-factor authentication, only authorized personnel can command the Anafi USA, ensuring only trusted users have access to the system. To prevent unauthorized flights, the Anafi USA Gov Edition is equipped with geofencing technology that ensures the drone stays within designated areas, avoiding restricted or sensitive airspace. The Anafi USA Gov Edition also comes with a built-in automatic return-to-home function, which ensures the drone returns safely to its launch point in case of signal loss or low battery. This provides an additional layer of security for critical missions. In addition, flight logs are automatically generated and stored locally, providing a detailed record of all drone operations. These logs can be accessed at any time for verification, ensuring accountability and transparency for mission-critical operations. Designed for resilience, the Anafi USA Gov Edition is equipped with military-grade security features to handle the most demanding operations, providing total confidence in every mission, from disaster response to intelligence gathering. With the Parrot Anafi USA Gov Edition, you get more than just a drone. You get a trusted, secure, and fully encrypted solution designed for professionals who demand nothing less than the best. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or visit us online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy your flight.